In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a GoDaddy account for the year 2025. Whether you're looking to secure a domain name, set up a website, or explore online marketing tools, having a GoDaddy account is the first step toward your online presence. I'll guide you through each step in an easy, straightforward manner to ensure you have a seamless experience. First, open your browser and head over to GoDaddy's website. You can easily find it by searching for GoDaddy in your browser's search bar. Click on their website link, usually one of the top results. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice it's bustling with options for domain names, hosting, and more. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking this will open a new window with a few more options. You'll want to select Create an Account, which is conveniently located right next to the Sign In fields. It's here where you'll set up your brand new account. As you move forward, you'll be given a choice to sign up using different methods. What I recommend, and what we're going to do today, is use Google to streamline the process, especially if you already have a Google account. Simply click on Continue with Google. This will redirect you to a page asking for your Google credentials. You should now see a list of your Google accounts displayed. Choose the one you wish to associate with your GoDaddy account by clicking on the email address. Select it, and this choice will initiate the linking process between your Google account and GoDaddy. Following this, you'll notice a Continue prompt. Go ahead and click on it. This finalizes the linking and signs you into GoDaddy with your newly created account. With these steps, you've successfully set up your GoDaddy account using Google, making it ready for you to dive into all the tools and services they offer. Remember, while the steps themselves are fairly simple, the power of having a GoDaddy account lies in the vast array of online solutions and tools at your disposal. Whether you're a small business owner, a budding entrepreneur, or someone just looking to host a personal blog, your newly created GoDaddy account is the gateway to getting started. So take a moment to explore the features and options available after setting up your account. That wraps up our tutorial. Creating an account with GoDaddy is a quick and easy process, especially when using the Google sign-in option. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional guidance on utilizing GoDaddy's services to the fullest.